Ingredients: yield 4 to 6 servings, salt, 1 pound pan, fusilli, farfalle or other shaped pasta, 1 24-ounce jar marinara sauce, 3 tablespoons harissa paste C-tip, 8 ounces halloumi or feta, coarsely grated, 1 cup chopped fresh dill leaves in stalks, extra virgin olive oil for serving. Preparation. Step 1. Heat the oven to 425 degrees. Step 2. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook for 2 minutes, less than the minimum cooking time stated on the package. For example, if the recommended cooking time is 10 to 12 minutes, cook it for 8 minutes. Reserve 1 cup of the pasta cooking water, then drain the pasta. Step 3. Add the marinara sauce, harissa and reserved pasta cooking water to the empty pot and stir to combine. Add the pasta, of the halloumi and of the dill. Stir to coat the pasta well. Transfer to a large, 8 by 12 inch baking dish and spread in an even layer. Step 4. Top with the remaining halloumi and bake until the sauce is bubbling round the sides and the cheese is melted and golden, 15 to 20 minutes. Step 5. To serve, drizzle with olive oil and top with the remaining dill. Tip: if you don't have harissa, use another spice paste like sriracha, sambal oelek, or even just a pinch of crushed red pepper.